next Madison that we're going to be. God!
Follow them.
Dumb!
Go, just go down.
In how, on a pipe or someplace else?
The one that's on the counter, or on the table. I left the bag here.
Yeah. Where? Well, where exactly? East Member or so? That shack. And you say, where was he? So there was a chain. A pine chain?
Again?
Do you use
Go ahead and
manual
go.
strangulation during sex at all?
Go ahead and go.
The shed like that?
A manual strangulation, yeah.
His willingness to disregard the written law and instead enforce his own taste for unilateral action to circumvent no liberal at all. This is Ted Cruz from 2014 complaining about Barack Obama flag code. This was Eisenhower's executive order instituting how you handle flag, how it should be displayed properly. As the first official executive order. I believe it's like establishing a military district of Louisiana at that time. This is during the Civil War. So, how did he asks all of the heads of the department? That would have been Jefferson, that would have been Knox at war, Jefferson was at state, that
Hey Garmin, save video.
He got pulled over.
As we predicted back in May, the 2005 Atlantic hurricane season has been active. The U.S. has already felt the impact of a major hurricane and two tropical.
Got the charger.
Video protected.
So yesterday, on the way to school, or as I was going to my appointment,
this morning. I'll do it at the work. Whew. Boy, I'm glad I got that on go.
Well, the crumble cheese is cheap.
This looks like Del Rosa.
Zona Rosa. That's what you get for getting.
tomorrow.
Is that you, Robert?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
Moron.
Jesus.